How to use guides in Canva to enhance your design alignment and dimensions. First, open Canva and either create a new design or open an existing one. Once you have your design ready, let's enable the rulers for more precise alignment. To do this, go to the menu bar and select File and then choose View Settings. From the options, select Show Rulers and Guides. Now you'll notice rulers showing the dimensions in pixels at the top and side of your design. With the rulers enabled, whenever you click or move an element in your design, you'll see a gray highlighted area on the rulers. This helps you keep track of the element's dimensions, allowing for better alignment. Now let's move on to adding crop marks to your design. Crop marks are useful when you want to indicate where to trim the paper after printing. Keep in mind that the size for crop marks is fixed in Canva. To add crop marks first, make sure you have added bleed to your design. Go to the menu bar and select Share. From the options, choose Download. Under the File Type drop-down, select PDF Print. Lastly, make sure to tick the Crop Marks and Bleed checkbox. This will include crop marks in your downloaded PDF file, indicating where to trim the paper. Finally, select Download or Pay and Download if applicable. Review the downloaded file by first locating it in your preferred download location, then opening it.